To install the soft goods on your OneFit, make sure the headrest is in the lower position. Place the seat pad fabrics onto the car seat frame. Pull seat pad fabric top opening around the headrest and pull the fabric around the back of the seat frame. At the top edge of the car seat, locate the plastic tabs. Press both tabs into the top edge until they snap into position. Use plastic tabs on the side of the fabric to work the fabric into the frame. Repeat steps for the other side. Open the latch compartment on one side. Pull the elastic loop down and around the hook inside the latch compartment. Close compartment and repeat for the other side. Guide fabric into the groove under the orange lap belt guide. Press the plastic tab into the side frame opening. Pull the first elastic loop to attach to the back hook inside the cup holder area. Pull on the second elastic loop to attach to the front hook inside the cup holder area. Make sure that the grooves in the cup holder frame are not covered by the fabric. Repeat for the other side. Make sure the fabric is not covering the cup holder area. Pull the crotch buckle through the correct slot and pull the shoulder straps forward. Carefully guide the fabric around the harness adjuster strap cover. Pull the fabric down and around the front edge, tucking the plastic tabs into the side. Attach both snap buttons onto the seat back fabric. Pull the headrest up to the highest position. Slide the headrest fabric onto and around both sides of the headrest frame. Tuck the fabric edges into the headrest frame edges. At the back edge of the headrest, locate the plastic tabs. Press them into the headrest frame until they click into position. Attach both snap buttons on the headrest fabric to the headrest frame. Pull the shoulder harness straps around to lay on top of the headrest fabric. Secure shoulder pads around harness by using the hook and loop. Attach the cup holders by matching the R and L cup holders to the car seat. Line up the cup holder pin and the two guides with the openings on the car seat. Push in and then push down on the cup holder until it clicks into place. To install the newborn positioner and head insert, pull both harness straps over the side panels of newborn positioner. Push newborn positioner firmly into car seat to make sure it is properly positioned. Thread the harness buckle up through the slot in the newborn positioner and crotch buckle cover. Fold over the headrest insert side sections and insert both headrest plastic tabs into the headrest pockets.